Yo, what's up guys, welcome to a new video. So today I'm going to show you how you can play YouTube in your background of your device. So what you have to do is you have to go to the YouTube on Safari and then go to the AA thing at the top and click desktop site. Then you pick your video, so I'm picking my video now, be one from my channel. And then once you've picked your video, obviously select it, so pick it and then play it. Now it's playing, and as you can see, when I go back to the home screen, it sort of doesn't work, right? But we've done all the steps correctly, so why isn't that? What you can do is you can play it on your lock screen. So I'm going to go to my lock screen now, and it's install play. Press the play button and it'll play. Hope you found this video useful, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more good content coming soon.